Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to prepare the famous South Indian pineapple curry. To start with, I will take 2 spoons of sesame seeds and I will dry roast this until it releases its aroma. Once it's done, I will just switch off the flame and I will keep it aside. Then I will take 2 spoons of urdu dal, half a spoon of jeera and half a spoon of black pepper. And again we will dry roast this for 2 to 3 minutes and I will add dry chilies to this, where 4 of them is badgi and 3 of them are Gojju type. One gives the color and another one gives the hotness. And again we will dry roast this for 1 or 2 minutes. We will add a cup of copra or dry coconut to it and again roast it for 2 or 3 minutes. Once it's done, add everything into a mixture and add a cup of water and make a fine paste out of it. And once it's done, take another pan and add 2 to 3 spoons of cooking oil. Once it's hot enough, just add a spoonful of mustard seeds, and once it pops, add all the diced pineapples into the pan and just roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will add a cup of curry leaves and again I will just roast this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then I will add a cup of tamarind juice, which is made out of a lemon sized or mid lemon sized tamarind. Then I will add a cup of jaggery, which will give the unique sweetness to our dish. Then I will add half a spoon of turmeric. Then we will just roast for another 1 or 2 minutes. Then we will add the paste which we prepared earlier to the dish, and then we will add the salt as required and just check for the consistency at this time. If you feel the dish is too thick, you can just add half a cup of water to it and then close the lid and just simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes. And after 10 minutes, voila, it's ready there. And just transfer it to a serving bowl and you can have this with chapati or even with a plain rice. And that's it for this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications on our future uploads. Also, do like, comment and share our video with your family.